Hi, this is a way to protect your battery on a Samsung Galaxy S22, the regular, the ultra, the plus. I will show you. You you scroll to settings and you press on the upper right side of the wheel, of the chain wheel, and you press on the magnifying glass and you search for a battery. Okay, it's battery. Okay, and you scroll down. You scroll down to more battery settings. And on more battery settings, you scroll to protect battery, and you enable it. But the downside is the battery will charge only to 25%. For me, it's good enough, but it will extend your battery lifespan because the batteries are shorten its life if it's charged to its maximum. So I hope you enjoy this video and find it useful. Press like or leave your replies if you have more questions. Bye.